Now, if you want to edit any photos, it's very easy. You can use AI tools, and one of the most popular ones is Google Gemini. In Google Gemini, if you want to mark any area in a photo and edit just that area, you can do it. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do that. For this, open the Google Gemini app. When it opens, you'll land on a page like this. Here you can see the plus button. Tap on this plus button. When you do that, you'll see the gallery option. Tap on gallery. When you tap it, you'll reach your gallery. From there, select the photo you want to edit. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, tap on the add button. Once you tap it, the photo will be added. Then, tap on the photo again. When you do that, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can mark the area you want to edit. For example, I'm marking this t-shirt area. After that, tap on the done button. Now you need to tell what changes you want in that area. I'm telling it to change the color, but I'm not mentioning it's a t-shirt. Anyway, after that, tap on the send button. When you tap it, Google Gemini will make the necessary changes to that area. Now here you can see Google Gemini has generated one image, and even though I didn't mention t-shirt, the change has still been made because I marked that area. So this is how you can easily mark any area in a photo and edit it using Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.